Yes, student. A very good noon to all dear students. So yesterday we yes, Jignasa. Yes, you can give the answer here, no problem. Yes. What is meant by data mining? Already slides.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, to search the data in large amount of records or large amount of server in very less of time.
Okay. We want to search the data. Means just I am putting in Google search engine, that is I want to search, let's say, videos. Yesterday we have seen Salman Khan video, right? Suppose ये phrase मैंने
Yes, ma'am.
डाली है, so it's a query only, right? Isn't it? हम सर्च कर रहे हैं,
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
हमने सिर्फ क्वेरी फायर की है और गूगल सर्वर से हमें रिजल्ट डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. इट्स अ क्वेरी ओनली, इट्स नॉट अ डेटा माइनिंग एक्चुअली. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डेटा माइनिंग इज? एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग relevant document. Okay, and that implicit, it will be internally stored and previously unknown. This definition is very very important as per data mining is concerned, dear student. So you told that that is query concept. Okay, query है, वो query से हम data search करते हैं, but actually we have to find out unknown patterns, previously unknown and potentially useful knowledge from huge amount of data. It's called as what data mining is. So this is the one part of data mining, that is query processing, isn't it? So I hope it's clear to all. So this is the concept of data mining, that is you can concentrate on that part. Here is yes, here everyone can understand this part, that is very important. Okay, this is extraction of interesting. What are the interesting pattern? That is non-trivial. We can say that it is a relevant document, relevant data, implicitly internally stored, previously unknown. We don't know about it. So we are going to finding out the hidden patterns from huge amount of data. Yesterday, again, I have given one important part here. That is just focused on presentation. Here, one person, that is engineer, we can say, he is going to finding out the diamond. Okay. So कोयले की खान में उसको डायमंड ढूंढना है, हीरा ढूंढना है. सो यू डोंट नो अबाउट दैट पैटर्न, उसको पता नहीं वो फाइंड आउट होगा. हिडन पैटर्न वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंडिंग आउट. दिस इज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ डेटा माइनिंग. I hope everyone clear this part. Fine. So this is the concept of data mining. What are the different alternative names of data mining? That point also we are going to see. Okay. So I hope everyone clear now. Okay. We are firing the query and extracting the result. It is the one part of query processing only, but we are focusing upon data mining. So data mining is what? We are extracting previously unknown, potential useful data, and that is relevant to our query. That means we are going to finding out the patterns, knowledge from huge amount of data. It's called as data mining. I hope everyone cleared this concept. Okay, and what are the alternative names of it? That is knowledge discovery mining in databases, knowledge extraction, data pattern analysis, data archaeology, data drilling, information harvesting, business intelligence, exploratory data analysis, data-driven discovery, deductive learning. These are the alternative names of data mining. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this part now. Fine all. Okay, so I hope now clear everyone. Just make a habit to give the acknowledgement to me. Okay, habit डालना है आप लोगों को for giving the answer. I hope everyone clear now. There is no any issue. Yes. Yes, that is watch out is everything. Data mining means simple search, query processing. So that is a query processing concept that you have to. Fine, everyone. So what is the concept of data mining that everyone cleared now? Is there any ambiguity now? Yes, student. You should clear all this part. Fine. Okay, so let's start the next point here. So that before that, I have shared attendance Google form. So everyone has to mark the attendance there. Fine. Attendance mark karo, so that we have clear idea about all the kind of things. Okay, fine. Okay, so we'll focus on next part here. Fine. We have already started yesterday with why data mining is needed. So again, I have given one explanation on that. The huge amount of data is available in the market. Okay, so explosive growth of data from terabytes to petabytes. So huge amount of data. Everyone is accessing Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, every social media. Okay, everyone is putting their videos, audios, and all images and all kind of data. फिफ्थ ईयर का बच्चा भी आज फेसबुक पे एक्सेस करता है टिल द senior citizen person. Okay, so you can imagine it how much data is stored on every server. That is there is data is kept. Okay, so in we can see in cloud also how too much big data is stored. So how we are going to accessing our data? इसमें से data access करना है. There are most of number of challenges are there. So how we are going to finding out that challenges? At that time we require the mining concept. We use different algorithms here. Fine. So these are the very important factors here. Okay, so these points we already covered. Now we'll focus on why data mining is needed. That point again we have seen in yesterday's lecture. I hope those students have joined yesterday. They should clear all this part. Okay, so yesterday we talked about the concept of why data mining is required. So basically for data analysis purpose and decision support. Okay, so what is exactly the data analysis and decision support? So for everywhere we got we have to analyze the data. Okay, so for example, market analysis and management. This point also we have seen. So target marketing. Target marketing means, for example, I have given one example here. That is, let's say आपको business start करना है. Okay, let's say आपको shop डालना है. Okay, shop start करना है. We can say that the cloth का shop start करना है. ओके तो वो शॉप सपोज आपको डालना है. सो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन इन मार्केट प्लेस. क्या आप लोग जैसे चांदोड़ में स्टार्ट करना है तो चंद्रेश्वरी पे करेंगे क्या? नहीं. इट शुड बी इन मार्केट प्लेस. वी हैव टू टारगेट द मार्केट हियर. मार्केट स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है? व्हाट आर द कस्टमर्स रिक्वायरमेंट? ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू कस्टमर वी हैव टू कीप द materials there. Okay, so likewise we have to do the market analysis and management. Again it will comes under into customer relationship management. So again same example we give that let's say हर कोई अभी city center mall जाता है ना? Everyone going there. Okay, city center mall. Then big bazaar. Okay, there is big malls are there. Okay, suppose आप एक बार visit करते हो और अब किसमें online transaction करते हैं? Isn't it? Every time we are doing the online transactions. I hope everyone agree with this. Okay, so online transaction करते हैं, आपका bank details, name, mobile number, everything is stored. Okay, so ये shop वाले क्या करते हैं? Every time if any we can say that any offers are there, at that time they will send the message to you. Any festival like Diwali, every festival they can send the message to you. So this is the concept of customer relationship management. Okay, this is a business strategy. Everywhere this concept is applied. Okay, जहाँ पे डेटा आएगा उसके ऊपर माइनिंग होने वाला है और उसका एनालिसिस होने वाला है. So these are the correlated concept. Okay, so here actually our data mining concepts are used. Okay, the next one is market basket analysis. Okay, so we are think on market basket analysis at last time also. Okay, so what is meant by market basket analysis? मान लो again I'm giving the same example. जैसे आप सिटी सेंटर मॉल में जाते हो. Okay, it's audible to you all? It's audible?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, थैंक यू. आप मार्केट में जाते हो है ना, सिटी सेंटर मॉल में जाते हो, तो वहां पे मान लो आपने एक बकेट लिया है ना, वी कैन से दैट द ट्रॉली. ओके, उसके अंदर आप पर्टिकुलर आइटम परचेस कर रहे हो. लेट्स से मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था मिल्क, ब्रेड, बटर. यू आर परचेसिंग ऑलवेज डेली टू डेली. मिल्क आप लेते हो वहां से, बटर लेते हो, एंड क्या लेते हो? मिल्क, बटर, ब्रेड. Isn't it? You always purchasing these items. Okay, so you are purchasing these items. Fine, milk, bread, and butter every time. Every time you are going to purchasing it. So what shopkeeper will do? Shopkeeper will keep all these material. जो items customer daily purchase करता है, उसका वो analysis करेगा. Yes, this customer daily accessing these material. तो वो क्या करेगा? एक ही शेल्फ में कीप करेगा. या ऐसा होगा क्या, गोडाउन में मिल्क रखेगा, फ्रंट टेबल पे उसका बटर रखेगा? इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो इट शुड बी कीप इन वन बकेट. ओके, सो दिस इज concept is called as market basket analysis. So it analyze the customers daily purchasing. तो पर्टिकुलर कस्टमर का ये purchasing मीन्स most of the person interesting to purchasing all these items on daily basis. So what he will do, he will keep all the items in one place, or we can say that in one shelf. Okay, so this is the concept of what market basket analysis is. So I hope everyone clear that part. It's clear to all that last time we have already clear these parts. So you should know why data mining is required. And dear students, don't focus on we are entering one query in in box and we are accessing or we are retrieving that data. Not at all. It's only the query processing. So data mining actually decision support and data analysis. The background work is data mining is. So I hope everyone agree with this. So it's clear to you. Yes, Rohan, it's clear to you. Yes, so data mining will be, yes, extraction, data analysis, decision support, then market analysis, risk analysis, all kind of analysis comes under into the data mining. Fine. So it's not like that we are going to just giving the query and retrieving the result. Okay. So I hope everyone clear that part. So what exactly the data mining is, we are going to finding out hidden patterns from the huge amount of data. It's called as what data mining is. And these are the applications where actually data mining is used. So you should know what kind of applications of data mining are. Okay. So I hope everyone clear that part. Okay. These are the other applications, that is text mining. Okay. So what about text mining? So text mining, there is news group, then email, documents, web mining, stream data mining, bioinformatics, and biodata analysis. Yes, these are the other application. Yes, I will show my post-graduation project demo, that is topic mining, in which you can easily understand what exactly the text mining is. Okay, so data mining, everyone know, we are extracting, finding out, discovered hidden, important, or we can say unknown patterns from huge amount of data. So can you tell me what is the concept of text mining is? कौन बताएगा? What is text mining? What do you think about it? Yes, total 10 participants are there. So anybody from your side? Text mining क्या हो सकता है? We have discussed all related to data only, but now some of the other applications of data mining are text mining. So what exactly it is? Can anybody tell me what it is exactly? Yes. Yes, dear student, everyone has to give the answer. What is exactly text mining? क्या हो सकता है? Yes, जैसा डेटा है, सिर्फ डेटा कौन से फॉर्म में रहेगा? In the form of text. Isn't it? Everyone agree with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So text mining is we are extracting the text document from huge amount of text data. टेक्स्ट डेटा के ऊपर जो हम लोग लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल आप लोग पेपर पब्लिश करते हो, यू नो दैट हाउ पेपर IEEE पेपर डिफरेंट रिपोजिटरीज आर देयर, है ना? एवरीवन नोज दैट कंसेप्ट. डिफरेंट रिपोजिटरी है, उसमें से स्टैंडर्ड रिपोजिटरी फॉर एग्जांपल IEEE, SCM, स्पिंजर. ओके, उसमें से हमें मान लो एक हाथ पेपर डाउनलोड करना है, पेपर का एक्सेस करना है, वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. सो हम वी आर माइनिंग द टेक्स्ट मटेरियल. So this is called as what we are extracting the text document from huge amount of text data is called as a text mining. So in that case, we can consider news group, email, documents, web mining. Dear student, text mining is one of the subject. Okay, web mining is one of the subject. So our subject is just introductory subject, but इसका डेप्थ देखा जाए तो इट्स टू मच वास्ट सब्जेक्ट. ओके, अब मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे गेन कर लेते हो, एवरीथिंग इज ओके, बट knowledge point of view, you have to read Han Camber book that I have said already. Okay, and I am accessing PPT from them only. Okay, PPT बहुत अच्छे है, उसमें से भी आप पढ़ाई करोगे तो सब points clear होंगे. So I hope everyone clear now. Okay, so we'll focus on next part here. Fine. Okay, so the next point is just concentrate. These are the different application, that is market analysis and management. What exactly it is, that point we have already covered in previous part. Okay, just exploring this part here. So what is target marketing? What is mean by target marketing? So find customers of model customers who share the same characteristics. interest, income level, spending habits, like this. Okay, determine customer purchasing patterns over time. Yes, that we have clear, that is market basket analysis. Okay, so what about cross market analysis? So cross market means find association, correlationship between product sales. Okay, so what exactly the correlation, association? These, there are different association rules are there, relationship between different items. This point we have covered in fourth number unit. Okay, that time you have clear all this part. So how predict based on such as association, customer profiling, what type of customer buy what products, that is clustering, classification. This point we have covered. Okay, so these are the general scenario where exactly our data mining is used. Okay, so the customer requirement analysis, the identify the best product for different customers, predict what factors will attract new customers. So these points comes under into it. So market analysis, we can see that last time I have given the example of Salman Khan brand. What is the brand of Salman Khan? सलमान खान का ब्रांड कौन सा है? बीइंग ह्यूमन. जैसे हम सिटी सेंटर मॉल में जाते हैं तो उसका ब्रांड है बीइंग ह्यूमन. ओके, सो वो खुद एम्बेसडर है, तो वो सलमान खान का ब्रांड सुनते ही बहुत सारे लोग परचेसिंग करते हैं. सो दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ व्हाट, this is one type of will attract the customers. Okay, this is a business strategy, how to do the marketing. Okay, this is also very important part here. So I hope everyone agree with this part. Okay, so I hope everyone clear this part. So how identify the best products for different customers, predict what factors will attract new customers. Okay, these kind of points comes under into market analysis. Here also our data mining is used. Okay, everywhere in current scenario, everyone accessing the whole world is digitalization. So there will be all the data works on a digital way. So everywhere data mining concepts is applied in terms of business sector, in terms of academic, education sector, everywhere data mining is work. Okay, after when you have done your BE completely, okay, then you have done the analysis. So which class result is best? Final year ka acha hai, third year ka acha hai, second year ka acha hai. So this is again analysis part. So analysis also comes under into data mining. So analysis and decision support comes under into data mining concept. Okay. So provision of summary information, for example, multidimensional summary reports, that is cube, we can say, different dimensions are given, statistical summary information, data central tendency and variation. These points we have cleared in particular unit. Okay, so I hope everyone clear what exactly the different applications of data mining, why we are going to studying it. So we have seen these are the applications of data mining that we are going to study here. Okay, it's huge amount of use of data mining in current scenario. Okay, so the next application is corporate analysis and risk management. Yes, again it comes under into the finance planning and asset evaluation. Yes, there again resource planning, then competitions. So everywhere our data mining concept is used. So you should know all this part, how to the cash flow analysis and prediction, then how we are going to do the cross sectional and time series analysis. These points we are doing daily when you are focusing on any business perspective, any corporate company में suppose आप visit कर रहे हो, so you can easily understand that why how backend work is doing, data के ऊपर कैसे work किया जाता है. So everywhere data mining is used. Now recent market machine learning, data science is booming market. Okay, so everyone knows this concept. So here is our data mining concept is used. Okay, so this is what again applications of data mining, that is fraud detection and mining unusual patterns. So unusual pattern means it's not actually visible easily. जो easily नहीं है उसको find out करना है ना. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था, वो इंजीनियर क्या कर रहा है, कोयले के खान से हीरा फाइंड आउट कर रहा है. सो इट्स अनयूजुअल पैटर्न्स. वो हमें ऐसा है कि चलो फर्स्ट जो स्टार्ट किया है हीरा ढूंढने के लिए और पहले इसमें मिल गया, इट्स नॉट इजी टास्क. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज फाइंडिंग, mining, discovering, extracting unusual patterns here. Okay, so what are the different fraud detection? There will be again analysis is required. So the approaches are clustering and model construction of frauds. Okay, so what is outlier analysis? Application ka healthcare. Okay, retail, credit card service, telecommunication. So auto insurance, then money laundering, then medical insurance. Everywhere there will be the what? These are the different. We can say different features of data mining. There will be is used. Okay, so you can see here it's a very huge use of data mining. That's why we are going to study this subject. Okay, so we should know where exactly it is used. Fine. Okay, so before that, can anybody tell me what are the different applications of data mining? What do you think about? Yes. कौन से एप्लीकेशन हमने एटलीस्ट देखे उतना तो भी आपको पता चला तो भी चलेगा. There is no big issue. Yes. Yes, student. It's an n number of applications that I have shown you. Anybody? What are the different applications? Yes. Anybody from your side? Give me the answer because I'm not going to move forward. आप जब तक आंसर नहीं देते हो तब तक मैं आगे नहीं जा सकती. So you should give the answer to me.
Ma'am, market analysis,
Yes, very good. Market analysis,
text
Uh,
mining,
text mining, very good.
Financial banking.
Very good. Clap for all these students given the answer. Yes.
string data mining,
Okay. Fine.
Fraud detection.
Fraud detection. Very good. Okay. Yes. Any other else?
risk analysis,
Yes. Risk analysis. And yes.
web mining,
Yes.
web mining,
Yeah. It's web mining. Correct.
Ma'am, target marketing.
Okay. And very good. Target marketing.
Transportation, ma'am.
Transportation. Okay. In which terms you said that transportation? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, we can say that in transportation, telecommunication again comes under phone call frauds are there. Okay, phone call modeling, destination of call, duration, time of day or week, analysis pattern. There will be there is digitalization. There must be the fraud will be detected. So there is also we require the mining process. Yes. So I hope everyone clear now. Please clap for all those who have given the answer. Very good. So all in active mode. Very good. I'm so happy that everyone is listening carefully. Fine. So I hope everyone clear the why data mining is used. Now this is a major concept regarding data mining. Now we'll start the concepts of data mining. Okay. So now we focused on this is very important and useful. We can say the types of data mining. You should understand each and every concept of data mining carefully. Okay. So everyone knows what is meant by data mining is. Now we'll focus on what are the two basic types of data mining. First one is predictive and second one is descriptive. Okay. So what is meant by predictive data mining and what is meant by descriptive data mining? Okay. Again, we can say what are the different parts comes under into the predictive data mining. Dear student, this slide is very important. ये slide जब आपको समझ में आएगा उसका हर एक का मीनिंग समझेगा सो मैं बोलूंगी यू क्लियर ऑल द concepts of data mining. Okay, this is very important. So data mining having two parts. First one predictive, second one descriptive. Again predictive having four parts: classification, regression, time series analysis and prediction. And what about descriptive? In descriptive comes under clustering, summarization, association rule and sequence discovery. Okay, so these are what the actual classification of data mining are. Okay, so we are concentrating on first part, that is predictive. So what do you think about prediction now? बिफोर स्टार्टिंग इट व्हाट यू थिंक अपॉन, आपके दिमाग में क्या आ रहा है जब मैं प्रिडिक्शन के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, तो क्या आना चाहिए? व्हाट यू थिंक अपॉन प्रिडिक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? यस,
फ्यूचर एनालिसिस में.
okay, very good. Good answer you have given. That is future analysis. Yes, it's correct. Means we are going to analyze the data. First of all, we are analyzing our historical data, and according to that, we are going to predict some value. It's called as what? Predictive analysis. So I hope everyone agree with this. It's clear to all. So before that, I'm giving one example here so that you can clear all this part here. Fine. So basically what exactly the prediction is, there are different types of prediction, right? So some of the time we are predicting according to time series. Okay. So what exactly it is working, that we will see here. Yes, exactly. It's a prediction depending upon two parts. हम prediction लगाते हैं, है ना? So let's say you might be thinking that suppose आपका result मैंने analyze किया, result analysis we can be talking. Okay. सो लेट्स से आपका फर्स्ट ईयर का रिजल्ट है, आपको 8 ग्रेड मिला है, मतलब 80% है. सेकेंड ईयर में यू कैन माइट बी थिंकिंग दैट 80 तक आएगा, नहीं तो 80 के अबो भी आ सकता है. वी आर गोइंग टू डू द प्रिडिक्शन हियर. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में इतना है, लेट्स से आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ थर्ड ईयर. ओके, थर्ड ईयर का एग्जांपल लेके देखो व्हाट विल हैपन इन दिस केस. ओके, थर्ड ईयर का सपोज मैंने रिजल्ट लिया. ओके, सो थर्ड ईयर का लेट्स से आपको सबको मान लो अभी 10 आउट ऑफ 10 मिले हैं, मतलब 100% बहुत सारे लोगों का रिजल्ट है. नाउ दे कैन प्रिडिक्ट दैट सपोज पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन आर देयर, सो मुझे अभी भी कितने मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं, आउट ऑफ मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं. दिस इज योर प्रिडिक्शन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? प्रिडिक्टिव एनालिसिस. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट दिस इज प्रिडिक्टिव प्रोसेस. व्हाई? बिकॉज प्रिडिक्शन, क्योंकि स्टोर रिजल्ट के ऊपर से मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, प्रिडिक्शन लगा रही हूँ. यस, मेरा रिजल्ट ऐसे आ सकता है. ओके, सो दिस टर्म कम्स अंडर इनटू वेयर prediction process. So I hope everyone agree with this. It's clear to all. Okay, and what about next part? So we'll focus on prediction. Prediction के अंदर आता है classification. Okay, so what about classification is? Prediction clear हुआ? According to historical data, we are going to predict values. Okay, so it's called as what? Prediction is. Okay, and what about classification? In prediction, we are going to do the classification. So what do you think about classification? Prediction everyone knows. Okay, according to historical data, we are going to predict some value. Okay, and what about classification? Can anybody tell me what you think about it? डियर स्टूडेंट, ये सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है जितने कंसेप्ट्स आप क्लियर करोगे उतना बेटर रहेगा, इजंट इट? आप कंसेप्ट क्लियर करोगे तो ही समझेगा, अदरवाइज सिर्फ मैंने डेफिनेशन बोल दी एंड आपने सिर्फ सुना, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट. एवरीवन एग्री विद दिस? यस. सो व्हाट अबाउट क्लासिफिकेशन? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट? Okay, okay, fine. So I'm classification is what? Classification means we are mapping the data into predefined groups. What is meant by predefined groups? So I'm mapping the data into predefined groups. Classification means class label should be there. Means we are mapping values or data in given proper class label, or we can say that there will be the class label or group of that label is given. For example, we are mapping the data into class. Class मतलब क्या? For example, I am giving one example of SCTB. कितने classes है? Let's say SC का class है, then T का class है, and B class. Okay, these are the classes. Okay, now our intake is 120. तो second year again class A, class B, T again class A, class B, and B. Okay, so ऐसे class है हमारे. So सब लोगों को पता है एससी के स्टूडेंट किस में बैठेंगे? एससी की क्लास में. टी के स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ जाएंगे? टी के क्लास में. बी के स्टूडेंट कहाँ जाएंगे? बी के क्लास में. मैं कभी इसे बोल सकती हूँ कि चलो रोहन, यू कैन सिट द क्लास इन एससी. इज इट द राइट वे? नो, आपका क्लास लेवल क्या है? बी, तो आप कहाँ मैप होंगे? ऑलवेज इन बी क्लास। टी का स्टूडेंट कहाँ जाएगा? टी की क्लास में। एससी का स्टूडेंट कहाँ जाएगा? एससी की क्लास में। मींस वी आर मैपिंग द डेटा इन गिवन क्लास लेवल इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? क्लासिफिकेशन. सो आई होप एवरीवन क्लियर नाउ. एग्जाम्पल क्लियर हुआ सबको? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
यस, थैंक यू सो मच. सो आई होप एवरीवन क्लियर. यहाँ पे क्लास लेवल दिया है. मान लो ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसको मैंने बोला है कि एक्स वाई टी का स्टूडेंट है, उसको बोला चल आज तू एसी में जाके बैठ, और एसी के बच्चे को बोला चल आज बी में जाके बैठ. नॉट एट ऑल. सम प्री डिफाइंड लेबल्स आर देयर. सोचो आपके हमारे सिस्टम में, एजुकेशन सिस्टम में क्लास लेवल नहीं होता था तो कोई भी कहाँ पे बैठता था. So this is the one of the best application of classification, that is education system. हर एक ब्रांच को क्लास लेवल दिया है, लेबल दिया है उस ग्रुप को. मतलब कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट के स्टूडेंट कंप्यूटर लेवल में जाएंगे, उसमें अगेन देयर इज बाइफर्केशन आर देयर. बाइफर्केशन कैसे होगा? एससी टी बी. एससी के स्टूडेंट एससी में जाएंगे, टी के स्टूडेंट टी में जाएंगे, बी के स्टूडेंट बी में जाएंगे. मींस देयर इज proper class label is given. It is called as what? Classification. So I hope everyone clear now. You should now you have to clear the concept आपको समझ में आता है, then you can easily implement it. Okay, now this is the concept of classification, and parallelly I am talking about clustering. So what do you think about clustering? Clustering के बारे में आप क्या बोलोगे? Suppose clustering बोला, the clustering again we are mapping the data into group but the class label is not given. फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रही हूँ. क्लासिफिकेशन में क्लास लेबल दिया जाता है, क्लस्टरिंग में क्लास लेबल इज नॉट गिवन. व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ इट? क्या एग्जांपल दोगे? फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन आवर लेक्चर्स आर कंडक्टेड ऑफलाइन, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन? ऑफलाइन लेक्चर चलते तब हम नेशनल एंथम को सारे स्टूडेंट खड़े रहते. देखो, ओके, इज देयर एनी एसीटीबी रोल? रोज रहते क्या? नहीं. वहां पे कंप्यूटर, मैकेनिकल, सिविल, ईएनटीसी सारे ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट एक जगह पे खड़े होते हैं, और सारे फैकल्टी एक जगह पे खड़े रहते हैं. तो वहां पे हम उसको क्लासिफिकेशन बोलेंगे क्या? नहीं. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ क्लस्टरिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? देयर इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ एलिमेंट, ग्रुप ऑफ डेटा, बट देयर इज क्लास लेबल इज नॉट डिफाइंड. मे बी डिफाइन और मे नॉट. ओके, डिफाइन भी हो सकते हैं और नॉट डिफाइन भी हो सकता है. जैसे फैकल्टी का देखो, फैकल्टी का ग्रुप है, हम बोल सकते हैं फैकल्टी का ग्रुप है. बट व्हाट अबाउट स्टूडेंट? स्टूडेंट में सारे ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट होते हैं, isn't it? So it is called as what? Clustering is. So I hope everyone clear the concept of classification and clustering. You should clear this concept first. After that you can apply this concept in everywhere. Okay, आपको concept समझ में आना बहुत जरूरी है. So everyone clear? Normally हम classification बोलते हैं, yes we are classifying the data. Not at all. It's not the right answer in data mining. Classification means what? We are mapping the data in given class label is called as classification. And clustering, the mapping the data but in one group but there is no class label is given, may or may not. Okay, I hope everyone clear now this concept, classification and clustering. It's clear to all? Yes dear students, समझ में आया classification and clustering क्या होता है? Yes, anybody from your side? Yes, plus classification is clear? Yes, Shivani, please, anybody? Anyone should give the answer to me. Yes, only 1 minute is remaining. Everyone clear? Classification समझ में आया? हम डेटा को क्लासिफाई कर रहे हैं बट क्लास लेवल शुड बी गिवन. क्लस्टरिंग में देयर इज नो क्लास लेवल इज गिवन. सारे, जैसे मैंने बोला नेशनल एंथम के लिए आप लोग सब स्टूडेंट, सारे ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट कंबाइन करके एक ग्रुप बनाते हो, मींस देयर इज नो प्रॉपर क्लास लेवल इज गिवन. एंड व्हाट अबाउट क्लासिफिकेशन? जैसे एसटीबी प्रॉपर क्लासिफाई किया है, क्लास लेवल इज गिवन. एसी का बच्चा एसी में बैठेगा, टी का टी में बैठेगा, बी का बी में बैठेगा. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ classification. We are mapping the data into given class level. So it's clear to all? Yes, just give
Yes,
me the...
ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. This is what the concept of what classification and clustering is. Okay, so next part is what? Regression. So what is mean by regression? So regression is what? Again, map the data into real valued prediction variable. Okay, so we can see what is exactly real value prediction. Okay, means we are finding out some linear equation, non-linear equations are there. Means for example, regression किसको बोलेंगे? We are mapping the data into real valued prediction variable. Real valued means what? For example, suppose मैंने equation दिया 3x plus 1 equal to c. Okay, so some values are fixed. Okay, and some values are vary. Means one particular equations are given. In that we have to put